What's going on, my wonderful people? Welcome back to Jacoa Ninja Channel X. In today's video, we got a new model train. It's a Coca-Cola train. I got it for only $8 on eBay. And the guy had, he messaged me on Tuesday and said, do you mind if I ship your train on Saturday? I need to rest. And I said, sure. And he says, thank you for being patient and waiting. I put a couple other things in there since I was late. So we're gonna see what that is too. So this Coca-Cola train does not run. The seller claims, oh my gosh, it's shredded paper. Hang on, I'm gonna have to use my knife so I don't like spew this everywhere. Oh, this is not fun. Shredded, put in the comments, shredded paper protects your item. Oh, I hope so, because hopefully the thing isn't broken. Okay, man, you got a Reese's Pieces box. It's funny, he's putting a model train in a Reese's Pieces Thins thing. Alright. Still more tape. I'm scared. Look at all this shredded paper. Alright. More. Jeez. Oh no, it's gonna make a massive mess. How do I... Is that it? Okay, there it is. Is that it? It looks different. And here's the Coca-Cola train. Oh man. Alright, so after digging for a little while, I found this little Coca-Cola sign. We'll have to put this somewhere on the layout. So, alright, so we got our Coca-Cola train here. I wish he didn't put it in shredded paper because now it's all in everything. So, the seller claims that it does not run and the light comes on but nothing from the motor. So we're going to see how true that is. Ooh, it's seized. Ooh, that's a cool light. Alright, so there is light, but the motor is like seized. Probably needs a commutator clean and a couple other items. The drive probably needs cleaned. So let's take this thing apart. Alright, so we got the shell off, and the commutator isn't too bad, but it is locked up. Kinda. So we took the weight out, and I gotta clean the commutator, and then we gotta get the drive cleaned. I hope it's not like the lifelike and the gears are all split. So here we go. Yikes. I don't like this because the two wires are there and I'm nervous it's gonna I'm gonna snap it. Oh, there we go. Alright, got... The reason why it's seized is this bearing is locked up. Okay, so we got some oil. We're gonna Got the drive back together, kinda. I figured out the problem. The worm gear is the problem. There's a bearing in there that's too small. And it can't spin. Alright, so that's working a lot better. Alright, so it's the moment of truth where we test this thing. So I think I kind of had to mess with it a little bit, but here we go. Will all the wheels turn? Yeah, they all turn. Yes, okay, so now we pretty much just have to clean the commutator, dust up all this little paper shards on it, and we'll be good to go. Candy fiberglass pencil. Well, the motor just flew apart, but that's... Alright, so here it is, all fixed up. Commutator's been cleaned, the drive's been oiled. And the wheels do not need cleaned. So if everything goes according to plan, we're ready. Here we go. Yes! It's not cheese anymore. Alright, so now the light works really good. Ready? Look at that, it's still going. So it's not all like flashing. So now, ooh, about to drop that. Gonna kind of like pinch all these wires in. Let's take this thing over to the track and test it out and put that Coca-Cola sign somewhere. Oh my gosh, guys, what a mess. Paper shreds. Wow, this thing is actually really pretty. So here we go. Wrong knob. Controllers are weird over here. Yeah! Let's go! Oh, that actually is really good. For $8, a little bit of drive work and a commutator clean. That's all I had to do. I didn't even have to clean the wheels. Alright, so one good thing, we gotta test two things. The only bad thing is the coupler is really low on this locomotive, so I had to bend it up, but it still might not work. Let's see how much pulling capacity this thing has. Oh, that's actually really good. That's about as good as the Dash 9. Nice. Let's see if the coupler stays on. It's not. No. Idiot. Well, folks, I really hope you all enjoyed the video of the Coca-Cola train. It looks actually quite a bit bad on camera, but it's like bright red here. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. The light works, and it was a lot easier to fix than I thought it was. The guy claimed that the light worked and there was no sign from the motor, but actually there was sign from the motor. It's just the gears were a little bit jacked up. So yeah, after a good commutator clean and a wheel adjustment, we got that thing to work. Funny story, the Coca-Cola sign, camera is not too good. The Coca-Cola sign broke. Like, I literally barely dropped it, like this. Boom, and it like shattered. I was like, okay, but I super glued it, and I think we should put it like here, like a billboard. Is that, you know what I mean? Like that. Just like that. So like people when they're driving, it's like a billboard. I think that looks pretty good actually. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed the video of the Coca-Cola train. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.